Hello and welcome. Today I am going to discuss about binary addition. So let's start. Okay, start with a small one. Binary number 0, 1 plus binary number 1, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. So this is the final answer. Now second one, 1, 1, 0, 1 plus binary number 1, 0, 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. But we know binary number has only 0 and 1. So this 2 is actually a decimal number. So we need to convert this decimal number to binary number. So convert it into a binary number. So divide 2 by 2. 2 into 1, 2. So quotient is 1 and remainder is 0. Divide 1 again by 2. So quotient is 0 and remainder is 1. Now decimal 2 means binary 1 0, bottom to top. Put 0 in this column and 1 will be carry forward to the next column. So again 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 2 means binary 1 0. So put 0 in this column and 1 will be carry forward to the next column. Again 0 1 1 equal to 2. So decimal 2 equivalent to binary 1 0. So put 0 in this column and 1 will be carry forward. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now let's find the binary value of decimal 3. Divide 3 by 2. So 1 times 2 into 1 2. So quotient is 1 and remainder is also 1. Divide 1 by 2. Quotient is 0 and remainder is 1. So bottom to top. 3 means 1 1. So 1 will be here and another 1 will be carry forward. Now here is nothing, so 0 plus 0 plus 1 means 1. So this is the answer. You can now try another one. 1 1 0 1. Another number is 1 1 1 1. Another number is 1 1 0 1, and another one is 1 0 1 0. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. 3 means 1 1. So here will be 1 and 1 will be carry forward. Again 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. 3 means 1 1. So again here will be 1 and 1 will be carry forward. Again 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 4. Let's check what 4 equal to in binary number. So divide 4 by 2. 2 into 2 4 and remainder is 0. Again divide 2 by 2. So 2 into 1 2 and remainder is 0. Again divide 1 by 2. So quotient is 0 and remainder is 1. So bottom to top, 4 equal to 1 0 0. So put 0 in this column. Next 0 will be carried forward to immediate next column, and 1 will be carried forward to the next column. So now 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 4. Again 4 means 1 0 0. So there will be 0, carry forward 0 and carry forward 1 to the next column. So here is nothing. So 1 plus 0 equal to 1, and here is 1. So this is the answer. Now what we will do when there is a fractional part? Add two binary numbers. One is 1 1 0 point 1 0 1 plus 1 0 1 point 0 1 1. Like decimal arithmetic, here also we will line up the points when we stack the numbers. So we need to write it like this one: 0 1 1. 1 plus 1 2. Decimal 2 equivalent to binary 1 0. So here will be 0 and 1 will be carry forward. Again 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 2 means 1 0. Here will be 0 and 1 will be carry forward. Again 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 2 means 1 0. So here will be 1 and 1 will be carry forward. Now bring down a copy of the point. Put the point in the same column. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 2 means 1 0. Here will be 0 and carry forward 1. Again 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 2 means 1 0. So here will be 0 and 1 will be carry forward. Again 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. 3 means binary 1 1. So here will be 1 and 1 will be carry forward. Here is nothing, means 0 plus 0 plus 1, that is 1. So this is the answer. Hope you understand this binary addition. If you like this video, please share this video. Thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.